We are what we consume, learn, hear, see, and feel. We feel waves, vibrations, and radiations because we ourselves produce waves, vibrations, and radiations. We are sensitive to heat, cold, and electricity only because we ourselves as organisms produce heat, cold, and electricity. I found this interesting when I read this because it's a reminder of how interconnected we are, that we are not separate from nature but a part of it. But not only a part of it, but made up of it. It reminds us that the goal is not to always find escape in leaving our bodies, but to also live in our bodies and experience it. Because you are here right now to experience this body in the way that you are meant to experience this life. Yes, the experience of joy, love, and happiness, but also pain, loss, and sadness. It's a visible reminder that what you see around you is also within you. It's a visible reminder that what you can utilize around you is also what you can utilize within yourself. It's a visible reminder that what can be harnessed through heat, cold, and electricity can be produced through you. It gives you the instruction that by feeling the waves, vibrations, and radiations that you produce, you can then begin to sense the waves, vibrations, and radiations that are happening around you. It gives you the concept and a starting point of what it means to tap in. You are the organism that you are studying. When it comes to deprogramming and understanding these basic concepts, you must dive into your conscious and subconscious and learn what you have consumed that removes you from your authentic way of being, your authentic way of showing up and experiencing the life your soul is seeking to live. What values did you learn that are different from the values you hold? What were you told that is not the truth your soul is speaking of? What have you seen that has put you in fear of repeating the same pattern? When have you felt peace? We learned that a lot that we hold there in those conscious and subconscious spaces are not of our original makeup of moving in our own authentic way. We are as nature, processing, integrating, and discarding information, as well as receiving and admitting information and power constantly. Moving beyond concept and theory and back into practicality. When going forward in your own spiritual walk and or magical practice, how does this concept confirm or change how you view yourself or how you practice your craft? Thank you for listening, beautifuls. I will talk to you in the next one. Truth and love.